you a woodworking enthusiast looking to elevate your craft to the next level? Or perhaps you're a professional carpenter seeking the ultimate tool to deliver flawless results? Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a project, wishing you had a more powerful, precise, and reliable router? If you've nodded yes to any of these questions, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-performance routers to bring you the best 3 HP routers on the market. We've tested and reviewed a selection of top-tier routers that promise to transform your woodworking projects from good to great. So, buckle up as we count down from number 7 to the coveted number 1 spot, showcasing the cream of the crop in routing technology. Number 7. BOSCH 1617 EVS Electronic Fixed Base Router. Starting our list is the BOSCH 1617 EVS, a router that may not boast a full 3 HP but certainly doesn't skimp on power and precision. With a 2.25 HP motor and variable speed settings, this router glides through cuts with ease. The constant response circuitry ensures that your work is consistently smooth, even through the toughest hardwoods. The 1617 EVS is built for performance, featuring linear depth adjustment for precise control and a robust design that can handle the demands of any workshop. The fixed base provides stability, while the 12-amp motor delivers the horsepower needed for a variety of tasks. Changing collets between 1/2 and 1/4 is a breeze, making this router versatile for different bit sizes. In my hands-on experience, the BOSCH 1617 EVS felt like a woodworker's dream. It's perfect for both beginners and production shop pros. The power was more than sufficient for door lock installations, and the DEWALT door lock install kit worked seamlessly with this router. The hard plastic case ensures that your tool stays protected between jobs. Number 6. VEVOR Wood Router. The VEVOR Wood Router may not be the most powerful on our list, with a 125 HP 800 watts motor, but it's a workhorse that deserves recognition. Its variable speed control allows for precision on a variety of materials, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. This router is a great option for those who need a reliable tool for detailed work. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, and the soft start function prevents sudden jerks or jumps at startup. It's a solid choice for hobbyists or professionals who require a router for intricate designs and finishes. During my testing, the VEVOR router impressed me with its ability to handle detailed slotting and woodworking tasks. The motor was responsive, and the variable speed dial provided excellent control over the cutting process. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Number 5. BORA 3 25 HP Soft Start Variable Router. The BORA 3 25 HP router is a powerhouse that truly lives up to its name. With a soft start mechanism, it ramps up to its full potential smoothly, reducing torque and allowing for better control. The variable speed control is a standout feature, giving you the ability to adjust the RPM to match the task at hand. This router is designed for those who demand the best in power and versatility. The 25 HP motor makes quick work of even the most challenging projects, and the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip for precision work. The electronic feedback maintains consistent speed and performance throughout the cuts, In my hands, the BORA router felt robust and reliable. The soft start feature made a noticeable difference in the control I had over my cuts, and the power was more than adequate for routing through dense materials. It's an excellent choice for professionals who need a top-of-the-line tool that won't let them down. Number 4. Makita at 701 coulombs 1/4 HP compact router. Makita is a brand synonymous with quality, and the OT 701 coulombs compact router is no exception. With a 1/4 HP motor, it's not the most powerful router on our list, but it's engineered for precision and ease of use. The slim and ergonomically designed body fits comfortably in your hand, making it ideal for fine, detailed work. The variable speed control ranges from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, allowing you to match the speed to the application. The quick-release gam lock system makes for easy depth adjustments and base removal/installation. Plus, the electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smoother, higher quality work. During my time with the Makita OT 701 coulombs, I found it to be incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for those who need a router for light-duty applications and detailed work. The motor delivered consistent power, and the overall build quality was impressive. It's a fantastic option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable compact router. Number 3. BOSCH 1617 EV woodworking router. The BOSCH 1617 EV is a versatile combo kit that offers both a fixed and a plunge base, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of routing tasks. The 2.25 HP motor provides ample power, and the variable speed dial allows you to select the perfect speed for different materials and bit types. The precision of the depth adjustment system is noteworthy, with micro-fine bit depth adjustments for exact cuts. The aluminium construction is both durable and lightweight, and the soft start feature reduces start-up torque for better control. The constant response circuitry ensures a consistent speed throughout the cut, delivering clean, accurate results. In my testing, the 1617 EV proved to be a reliable and high-performing router. The ability to switch between fixed and plunge bases added a level of versatility that I appreciated. The power was more than sufficient for a variety of applications, and the build quality was top-notch. This router is a fantastic investment for any serious woodworker. Number 2. Triton TRA001 router. The Triton TRA1 is a beast of a router, boasting a 3/1/4 HP motor that can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. The dual-mode plunge router allows you to switch from a plunge to a fixed base router with the rack and pinion height adjustment. The micro-winder enables continuous spine depth adjustment through the full plunge range. The electronic speed control maintains a constant speed under load, and the soft start feature minimizes torque upon startup. The single button switches from plunge to fixed base router with rack and pinion height adjustment. The safety switch shutter locks closed in bit change mode to prevent power on. My experience with the Triton TRA1 was nothing short of impressive. The power and precision it offered were unparalleled, making it suitable for heavy-duty routing tasks. The ease of switching between modes and the fine depth adjustment were standout features that made this router a joy to use. Number 1. DEWALT Router. Finally, we arrive at our top pick, the DEWALT Router with a fixed base and a 1/4 HP motor. While it may not have the highest horsepower on our list, it's a router that delivers on performance and reliability. The variable speed control allows for optimal bit speed in each application, and the soft starting motor features full-time electronic feedback that maintains motor speed through the cut. The adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes to within 1/64 inch, and the dual LEDs and clear subbase ensure maximum visibility in operation. The extended 8-slot 1/4 inch collet maximizes surface contact with router bit shank for a tighter grip. In my hands, the DEWALT Router felt like a precision instrument. It was perfect for detailed work and offered the control and visibility I needed for intricate designs. The motor was smooth and consistent, and the overall design of the router made it easy to handle and maneuver. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, the right router can make all the difference in your projects. Remember, the best router for you depends on the specific needs of your projects and your personal preferences. Consider the type of work you do, the features that are most important to you, and of course, your budget. With the right tool in hand, your woodworking projects will not only be easier, but will also have that professional touch that sets your work apart.